Todd Hutchings versus Dave Chaffee 115 kg category match at East versus West 19 was a complete one-sided domination. Without watching the result, mention in the comments who do you think dominated that match. It was in fact Dave Chaffee. He got his nickname proven once again. He's the easy money guy and he got his easy money this time. So round 1 they slipped. No, they didn't even slip. Dave, pure cupping, pure side pressure. You can call it a high hook. You can call it a Dave Chaffee side pressure sweep. He literally got the job done in less than 2 seconds. Todd did slow it down, but not enough to get the stop. The match never stopped. 1-0 Dave Chaffee. Then second round, they slipped, both of them intentionally. In the straps, Todd's wrist was flopped by Dave. Dave kept applying the down pressure, the side pressure. Todd slowed it down for maybe 6-7 seconds, 8 seconds this time, but not enough. Dave Chaffee pinned him, I would say easily, towards the end. And at this point it was looking like, even Todd said he's getting warmed up, but no, he was getting gassed out. He had nothing in the third round. In the third round, Dave Chaffee pinned him as he would pin any 60, 70, 80 kg world champion. It was way too easy. Todd had nothing left. Initially I was saying that maybe Todd needs like a best of 9 to beat Dave Chaffee, but today it could have been a best of 100 and it wouldn't have mattered. As I was saying during the live stream, Todd looks like he cares too much about his health, especially when he's 59 years old, because in WL days he was showing up over 235 pounds. And for this match, I've not checked the veins, but I don't think he was even 100 kilos for this match, which is 225 pounds. So you cannot expect to be below 100 kilos and beat a 115 kg Dave Chaffee, who has now bulked up to 120 for this match because he cut a lot of weight in water weight. So pure domination. Dave Chaffee is back. This is the class where he belongs to. I hope Denis Siplenkov does the same. I hope some other arm wrestlers also do the same, like Sergey Kalinichenko and many others who don't belong in the super heavyweight category, yet they compete because there was no one to compete against in the 115 kg class. Denis versus Dave is something which I would love to see in the future in the 115 kg class. Michael Todd also belongs there. That class can be lit in the future if these guys all decide to cut and make it interesting. Thanks for watching. Like the video and I'll see you again.